Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. It's Chef Poul with me, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And Chef Alex.
Hi.
So today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite dishes ever, and I can't believe I've never made this before. And that's going to be ginger chicken. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate you. So I got 6 smallish chicken breasts. I've got that all chopped down. When you chop this, make sure that knife, cutting board, and your hands are washed. I'm using gloves. So I'm using some ground black pepper, and all we're doing right now is we're just doing a short marinade. I'm not putting any sauce in it right now. I'm just putting salt and pepper in here. I'm not going to use a whole lot of salt because believe me, it's soy sauce that we're going to be using in a bit. We'll have enough. But I just want to make sure that we get enough pepper on here because you know me, Chef Paul loves his ground black pepper.
Yes.
You can't have too much pepper.
No.
Well, you can.
You can actually.
But with me, it's kind of hard to get that point. But
Yeah.
And I recommend going to the grocery store and getting some ground black pepper. I would avoid just getting the regular pepper shakers. They're not fresh and they're not as good. I'm just going to add a few dashes of salt. And this is cornstarch. This would probably be a big mess when I open this. And it is. Not as bad as I'd like to think it would be, but whatever. And I'm going to dump quite a bit of this in here. And no, we're not deep frying this. We're frying it, but we do want this to be nice and coated. It's going to make the meat a lot tender, more tender. So we want enough that we can actually coat all the chicken. It'll help tenderize it. It'll help make it a lot better when we start cooking it. So we're going to let this set for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to start making the sauce. And then we're going to start cooking. This is actually a pretty quick dish to make. We cooked up half a daikon, or pardon me, cut up half a daikon,
yeah.
2 green peppers, 1 large white onion, 1 whole garlic clove, about half a cup of ginger root, and that's probably about it, I believe, for veggies anyways. And we got 2 cups of rice in the rice cooker right now, and that's what we're serving it with. When this is done, this is going to taste absolutely amazing. And yeah, probably a little bit too much cornstarch, but
yeah,
you just want enough to coat. It's a little bit more than I wanted, but that's fine. No, this is what I wanted.
Yeah.
The extra, we're not going to take the extra and put it in the frying pan. That's it. So we're good. So hit that like, share, subscribe button. We're just going to set this aside. In about 20 minutes or so, we'll start back up. In the meantime, Amy's going to start cleaning my mess because Amy likes cleaning my mess. We're back. So we're going to let things marinate a little bit longer. Not a big deal. So again, I'm going to put some more cornstarch in this. Why? Because it's going to help the sauce thicken up a bit. This time I'm going to be a little bit more careful about how much I use. I've got a cup of water here. I've got some maple syrup. It is sugar-free, not the easiest to find, but you do want something to sweeten this up. I see a lot of people say they use jam. And you can. Jam will work just fine.
I think maple syrup will give it a nice flavor.
I think it'll give it a nicer flavor than jam will.
Yeah, I think so too.
Just my opinion. Gonna put a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar in here.
Not apple cider vinegar.
No, not apple cider.
Big difference.
Very big difference. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of soy sauce in here. Maybe that was 2.
Ooh.
Oops. And then I'm gonna put some sweet soy sauce in here because why not? That's about a tablespoon of that. And then I'm gonna put some fish sauce in here.
Oyster
sauce.
it?
Oyster sauce. It's a staple of most Asian foods. That's about a teaspoon there. Now this is really important and really super important. This is sesame seed oil, roasted sesame seed oil, and it's a lot like, say,
liquid smoke.
Liquid smoke.
So you put very little.
You put very little, and you have to pay attention because this will taste like a friggin' shoe if you don't. So I'm putting a tablespoon of that in here. And then we're going to give this a good stir. You want to make sure you stir this really good because this is going to taste like garbage. The only thing I'm not putting in this is sesame seeds. Don't really need them.
No.
Good for appearance. But
You don't need them if you have sesame seed oil.
Yeah.
I'm not putting them there for taste. You're just putting them on for decoration.
Yeah.
It will make it look pretty, but that tastes awesome. I'm really excited for this. So I'm going to put this down here because this is the last part of it. Please hit that like, share, hit that like, share, subscribe button. It means a lot to us. But this is basically it. We're ready to cook as soon as I say that the chicken has waited long enough, and we're going to be ready to go. So welcome back. So we're ready. Chicken's been marinating, and now we're ready to start cooking it. So I'm going to cook the chicken by itself at first. So I got a pot that's already been oiled.
Heated.
And it's heating. It's got oil in it, which is pretty important. Amy loves it when I do cooking because she loves doing all the extra dishes. So this is the real important part here. You want to make sure that we get this all cooked. When we feel that this is starting to go and it's starting to be ready for it, then I'm going to come back and we'll start adding the vegetables to it. Well, before we add the vegetables, I'll do the sauce and we'll put the vegetables in, but you'll see it. So the first thing right now is we want to get this chicken cooked. And it's very important that you let this cook all the way through, that it's looking cooked, because if you don't, and you pull, let's say, I like saying pull an Amy. Amy's a really good cook, by the way.
But you don't want anywhere on it to be pink.
No, because if somebody goes and they bite into this and turns pink, it's gonna taste really disgusting.
And salmonella.
And salmonella.
Yeah, that too.
We don't want to do that. So make sure this is cooked when it's about maybe 80%, mostly cooked. Then we're gonna come back, do the sauce and do the vegetables, and we'll show you what we're doing there. So I'll show you the vegetables now, no big deal. So I got one white onion. I may not use all of it, but it's there. And then I've got half a daikon, green pepper, and I've got one whole garlic clove, and I do need to do something there. So
What do you need to do?
I need to food process it.
Oh.
Because this part's actually going to go in before the rest of the vegetables. So this is one whole, about half a cup to a cup of ginger. And I'm actually going to throw this in with the chicken. You guys should be excited for tomorrow, by the way. Pickles are done tomorrow.
Oh, nice. It's been a week already.
Tomorrow's been a week.
Tomorrow's been a week. So it's almost ready. You want to make this nice and small so it integrates right into the chicken. Because ginger chicken.
How does that look?
Looks good. Almost ready. It'll start giving you a little bit of issues because we had quite a bit in here. So.
Yeah, I was gonna say you had quite a bit.
It might have been smarter to do two.
Yes.
But whatever. It's done. Make sure you scrape all this out because that's a lot of lost product if we don't.
And that smells really good too.
It does.
Yep. So now we want to take a moment. Immediately thought that we're going to leave. We're going to spread this out here and we're going to let this cook. And it's going to give a really nice fragrance to it. Ginger is really good for you if you're sick. It will definitely help you. And it's an amazing taste. So this is going to be really good. So we're going to leave Amy cook this because Amy likes doing this part. And as we cook this down, just going to keep on stirring it around, make sure that the ginger and garlic is coating everything. So it's a whole garlic and a 1/4 cup of ginger. So we'll be back. Welcome back. So we come over here, we see the chicken's nice and cooked. It's doing really good here. So now we need to put the sauce in.
Yes.
Smells amazing too.
Oh,
Yeah, it does.
So we're going to mix this in here a little bit more. I don't know I'm going to use all the onions. Probably use most of them, but not all.
You can always just put the rest of it in the fridge.
Yeah, and that's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to put in some daikons. And believe it or not, Amy just did dishes.
Yeah.
You'd never know that, but then our green peppers. How's this look, guys?
Really good.
It does look really good.
So we're going to let this simmer for a total of 5 minutes. Amy's just going to stir this around a little bit. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat down to 5. And then 5 minutes time, we're going to come back and we're going to serve. Can you believe this, guys? We're almost done. It seems like it's taken forever, but it really hasn't. This has actually been really quick. So we're going to make sure the chicken's all fully cooked. We're going to make sure it's all spread out so the sauce is all over everything. And I'm telling you, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting hungry just looking at this. What about you, Amy?
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be back. Welcome back. So we're done. This is our ginger chicken, and now we're ready to serve. So like I said, we're serving this with a side of rice.
Sticky rice.
This is sticky rice. I'm telling you, if you don't know what sticky rice is, you don't know you're missing. So I'm going to put a little bit of rice on there.
Are we going to turn the burner off?
And we're going to turn the burner off.
This is going in a Tupperware container, so I'm guessing this one's for me.
This one is for Alex.
Thank you.
No problem. And we'd eat dinner as a family tonight, but I gotta get ready to go because I got blood work in the morning, so I'm going to my parents' house.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take this off the heat here. How's that look?
Really good.
That looks really good.
I think this looks amazing.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to try this.
Me too.
So I'm
Yeah.
gonna set this down here, and I'm gonna do something I normally don't do, but I'm really excited to.
I'm probably gonna eat this as soon as I go back home.
I'm gonna try to take a small piece here.
Be careful, it's hot.
You don't think?
Don't burn your mouth.
And we'll see how well this tastes here in a second.
Must be good.
It's really good. This is absolutely amazing. It's wonderful. This is the best. It really is. It's really the greatest thing going. And I'm telling you, let's start cooking, guys. Let's make cooking great again. Until next time, please eat healthier. And remember, www.poulskitchen.com for all the latest recipes and cookbooks. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. And if you haven't pranked your wife lately, prank her soon.